we have Dublin buses. If you're a tourist or you're living here and getting around the city, you'll use Dublin bus a lot. The problem with Dublin bus is you can pay in two methods. One way that you can't pay is with a bank card. So you can pay with coins if you know the direction that you're going in. They don't give you change, so if you have the coins, you can drop it into the machine. You won't get any change back. You'll get a little receipt that will have the money that you're owed on it, and you're supposed to get that back. I don't know how that even works, so you won't be able to do that. The next best option is to use your Leap card. So Leap cards are travel cards that you can purchase in most newsagents. They're a pay-as-you-go card, so you have to top it up with X amount of money, whatever you want, and use that. You can tap that on the buses, and also the Lewis, which is kind of Ireland's metro system. You can tap it on. You can use it for some regional buses as well, but the main method of payment on the Dublin bus system is through the Leap card. Most newsagents will have it. You have to download an app to top it up. It's also not the same app that will have the bus timetable on it, so they're two separate apps. One for topping up the Leap card and one for seeing when the bus is going to come. Bit of a pain, but you'll figure it out, and it's better than get on the bus with cash or with just your bank card expecting to pay. You can't do that. Has to be Leap card or with coins. Next up, and continuing with Dublin bus, is if you're standing at a bus stop and you don't put your hand out, that bus will not stop. Most bus stations have 3 or 4 different routes converging onto them, so the bus driver doesn't know which bus you're getting unless you indicate to them. So you have to put out your hand and let them know, otherwise it'll go by. Lots of tourists and people who are new to the country will find that a bit confusing at the start. They'll be standing there, it'll be lashing rain, they'll see their number come up and they don't put their hand out and the bus will go by. So you have to put your hand out and let them know, then they can stop. Also, when you're on the bus and you're coming up to your destination, there's a bell on the bus or a little buzzer. You have to press that. Again, with the same thing, the bus driver doesn't know which stop you want to get off at unless you let them know. So you have to put your hand out to get the bus to stop, and you have to press the bell on the bus to let the bus driver know that you're at your destination and at your bus stop. If you get a little lost or a little confused, most Dublin bus drivers are very friendly. They'll be able to help you out. They'll point you in the right direction or tell you what bus to get on or what tram, or if you can walk there. Quite friendly most of the time, not all of the time. They do get annoyed when you don't have change for the bus, because it kind of holds up the whole system, and then they get blamed for being late somewhere else. Also, actually, with the bus, you have to say thank you to the bus driver. Well, you don't have to, but you'll hear a lot of people doing it. They'll be jumping off the bus and they'll say thank you. That was one rule I kind of forgot. But you say thank you to the bus driver when you're jumping off. If you feel uncomfortable, don't do it. Somebody else will be saying thank you anyway.